Hello, my beautiful people. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. It's your girl Jenny. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, my people, I want to show you a little big video. I am so happy to enter train today. I traveled to the east to go and buy roots and herbs for treatment, and I was happy and fortunate to meet train, and I have to enter train. I'm so happy to enter train for the first time. As you can see, the happiness is too much of my heart. I am inside train. See people here. I'm in the train. It is very sweet. It's sweet. I don't want to fall. I bought plenty things in Abia State, and this place is so lovely. It's so sweet. See? Sorry. Hello. Hello. Have you entered train before?
No. This is our first
So this is your first time?
Yes.
Like seriously, this is my first time.
This is Oba train.
This is Oba.
Oba train.
Yeah,
How
Oba.
we dey like this?
Which one is Oba train? Train is train. So I don't know the one is Oba and the Oba and the level.
No, we like this now. Now, but we did.
Oba, you know. I seriously, maybe you're in train, helicopter or flying boat, anyone. This is not train again for you. Where are they stopping?
This is the stopping station.
Hello. Hi. Stop sleeping. Hi. Hello. I'm so happy to enter train for the first time. Hello. People are coming down here. It's so fun. Big fun.
Yes, as you enter, you have to bring your tickets.
Hello, please. I want to cross to the other side. Hi. Nothing. I want to go there.
She may do video. Yes, your ticket. Drop your ticket before you go.
My friend, how are you?
Madam, where we carry sack bag? Give me your ticket. They come now.
Okay. Wow, this place is so crowded.